All right, everybody. Today we're talking about something that will grow your business, and that is training day. This is an event we had a couple years ago that we did not host last year. We had a bunch of people still asking about, are you doing it? Are we doing this again? And since we didn't do it last year, we knew that we had to do it this year. We have got everything set in stone. I'm going to be putting a link to the tickets in the description below. But most importantly, I want to go over what's involved in it, what does that look like, what actually happens in this event, and kind of give you some expectations because there's not going to be much availability. It's 10 max, 5 or 6 are already sold, so only a few more people can get in, and a good portion of the people who are coming this year are people who came the first time, so that just proves that the value is there and that it's something that people got something out of that they were able to implement in their company to help them continue to grow. So let's get right into this. Training day is going to be this year, October 12th, 2024. Now, to come see this here in Florida, you're going to want to come the day before because one of the first things that we all love is to have a great meal before the event. We have reservations made at a restaurant where you get an awesome tomahawk, great meals, very small settings. It's going to be a small group. It's where we had it the first time as well. So anybody that ate there before knows what to expect, and it's going to be good. The menu looked awesome. It was a 4-course meal. Although that is cool, that is not what brings the value. That's not what brings the information that actually allows you to plug into your business and get rocking and rolling. But that does allow some time to get to know each other and to network with the companies that are there and the people that are there to talk about our experiences, our challenges, our problems, and just let go and have some fun together before we get into the real deal. And the following day, Saturday, is going to be the actual event. It's going to be an all-day event packed full of information to grow your business. I'm currently still working on the agenda. We have someone coming in, a special guest, to speak about marketing and different things in that area. I'm going to be speaking. Zoe, our office manager, our corporate office manager from Illinois, is going to be coming in and speaking. She will speak on at least 1 to 2 things. Most likely one will be culture. She is a great culture builder in our company. And if you're going to build a company, you've got to have a culture that people want to be involved in that keeps people there. Because we all know how hard it is to get new employees. Keeping people is huge. So talking about this is massive. We're also going to have Bree. She is our sales manager here in Florida. She kills it. She sells over $1 million worth of stuff a year, and she's going to be talking about some of the things that she implements to help her be extremely successful in her position. And it doesn't matter who's doing the selling. This is stuff you can implement as an owner if you're selling everything yourself, and plug that in and go out and just execute and sell more stuff to grow your company. So right there, when we talk about a company, we're talking about the main things being marketing, sales, and then production. You're going to hear me come in, talk about production, talk about organization. You're going to have another guest speaker come in who I'm very, very excited. We are almost got everything crossed off and checked that he will be involved as well. And he is going to bring some other awesome information to that sector. So this is going to be a really, really exciting event where we're going to be able to cover the marketing end, cover the sales end, cover the production, talk about things in between, get to do Q&A. There's going to be lunch during the day that's going to be provided, and snacks and everything to keep you going throughout the whole day. It is going to be a long event. It's going to be 8 a.m. in the morning till 6 p.m. in the evening. We are going to be packing this full of content that is rich with stuff that you can just implement in your company right now. You can take those ideas with the whole goal of you coming here, you getting 1, motivated, 2, inspired, 3, getting a few actual things that you can take and plug and play in your company. Now, we're also going to be doing Q&A during this. I like to start off with going through what's everybody's biggest problem. By the end of this, the intent is everybody talks about their biggest problems. Everybody hears what everybody else's biggest problems are. And then by the end of this event, when we're going over 1, marketing, 2, sales, 3, production, and a bunch of stuff in between and doing Q&A, that by the end of this big, awesome day, you're able to know and have some actual ideas of what you can go and do to attack that problem and get on the other side of that problem to have some more success in your company. So again, trading day is going to be awesome. It's going to be October 12th. It's going to start at 8 a.m. It's going to end at 6 p.m. p.m. There's going to be lunch the day of, and then there's going to be the dinner the night before, and we are constantly building out this agenda and getting more information as we go. But I wanted to put this out and kind of put this out slowly because we wanted to give GROW Comm members enough time to make sure they've all solidified their seats, since it is such a small group thing here in our office. So if this is something that interests you, that you want to use to grow your company, the tickets are going to be in the link below. It's an Eventbrite ticket, very, very easy to get. Can't wait to see you there. If you got any questions, leave them in the comment. I'll do what I can to get back to you ASAP.